Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make $1,000 a month just using Temu. So if you guys already watch my videos, I'll be talking about how to make money from Temu, but the majority of you guys think that I'm lying, all this cap, but here's the real proof. So basically, if you apply to become a campus ambassador, you get to have so many chances to win good prize, all that stuff. So what you guys will need, just make sure you guys use my link, will be below, so you guys can get 30% off in each order. You guys can also apply to be campus ambassadors. Okay, so basically all you will need, you need to sign up to be a campus ambassador, and then and share share your code here to everybody in your family, your friends, so that way you get these referrals. But beside that, you guys can always go to my Instagram. And under my Instagram, here you guys will see the link. Here you guys will see the so basically the link here, and then you guys can go, just make sure to go to join Temu Campus Ambassador. Once you click here, it will send you over here, but it just sent me over here, but it will send you guys somewhere, and then that's where you guys will get to apply it. So once you apply, you get approved within 2 days or so, 1 day, and you guys should be ready to go. But other than that, beside that though, make sure you guys use my 30 make sure you guys use my affiliate link down below. The link will be down below, which means you guys will be making almost $100 right here. You guys can see $100 within 30 referrals. So yeah, good luck on that. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.